Hello and welcome to this lecture. 7 ways in which 8 dimensions will transform your business. Now that you have a thorough understanding of the transactional model of business and the 8 key dimensions, I will now explain the way these 8 dimensions can enhance the growth of your business. This is a condensed form of my 15 years of experience. So you will definitely get a lot of value from it. So here are 7 main ways in which these 8 dimensions will transform your business. Number 1, enhancing the frequency of outbound transactions, which will increase your cash flow. Number 2, enhancing the value of outbound transactions, which will again enhance your cash flow. Number 3, increase the lifespan or recurrence of outbound transactions from existing customers. It means that you increase the average duration in which the outbound transactions from customers occur. For example, you answer the question, how can your existing customers purchase your products or services over the coming months or years repeatedly? In other words, your goal is to increase the length of customer relationship by giving them outstanding value so that they can become loyal customers. Number 4, creating new products and services by collaborating with other businesses. These services or products can be offered as a package to your customers or the customers of other businesses with increased value. Number 5, increasing the variety of products and services of your business which are profitable. This gives your business resilience, longevity, survivability, and sustainability. Number 6, shortlist the tasks which you can outsource without affecting the quality of your products and services. This will help you in enhancing operational efficiency. Number 7, how can you facilitate other businesses to increase their revenue by giving them market access and increase outbound transactions which reflect the sales commissions? And also, how can other businesses help you achieve the same to increase your outbound transactions or sales? Thank you very much for your time, ladies and gentlemen. Let's keep on learning and proceed to the next section.